You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce the name of this area, valley, in Ireland. If you want to learn more confusing names of famous places in Ireland in Irish, stay tuned. Glendalough is how it's normally pronounced locally. The Irish, also English pronunciation, Glendalough. It can also locally be said as Glendalough, but Glendalough is generally how it's pronounced and referred to, Glendalough. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.